Thank you very much. I'm Gerald Zwa, CEO of SCOPS Coating Technology, and I'm here to talk to you today about packaging, and particularly sustainable packaging. So what's the big issue with the packaging today? We produce over 1 trillion plastic bags every single year. 50% of the plastic waste that's in the ocean today comes from flexible packaging. Only 13% of the flexible packaging gets recycled, which means 87% is going into our landfills today. And this is such a big problem that the EU, Canada, many cities, states are banning the use of single-use plastic. And what's the packaging industry for oil and grease? PFAS, the bioaccumulator, the forever chemical that causes cancer and low birth weights and many other health concerns. So what is our solution? We replace single-use plastic bags with coated paper bags that is 100% repulpable, biodegradable, recyclable, and compostable without using any plastics, low cost, and can be used on a lot of the existing machinery that are in the industry today. So why is this a big issue today? Well, consumer product good manufacturers are under a lot of pressure. First, as we mentioned a little before, regulations, the banning of single-use plastics, as well as the banning of PFAS. Corporate sustainability goals are trying to more circular economy, more recycling, and getting rid of plastic. And consumer preferences today are looking for those green products, the products that can be recycled, repulped, and don't harm the economy, the environment. And we know we're really onto something today because we're having many large companies come to us and ask for samples, whether they're CPGs, converters, equipment manufacturers, or paper manufacturers. And what is our technology roadmap? So right now, our technology is ready to replace single-use plastic bags in the durable goods and secondary packaging areas. After that, we're looking at the fast food restaurant, grease resistance to replace PFAS, sandwich wrappers, clamshells, those type things. And then finally, an oxygen barrier and a water vapor barrier product that can then really go into almost any of the flexible packaging markets, cakes, cookies, sandwiches, you name it. So is this a market actually to go after? Well, definitely is. The global packaging market today is over $1 billion. The flexible packaging market is about half that at $500 million, and our addressable market still is very large at about over $13 billion. And on the fast food area, it's well over $1 trillion, and our addressable market is over $8 billion. And why do we think we can do this with our product? Well, we're meeting the goals of the holy grail of the sustainable packaging. We do both compostable, recycling, biodegradable. A lot of the other competitors are very good at either the biodegradable or compostable or the repulpable. You really need both because if you end up in the wrong stream, you're going to actually cause more harm than good. And also we have put a great team together, both on the technical side from School of Packaging. We have Professor Rob Nawaz, as well as many other PhDs and a good business team as well. And what are we looking for? We're looking for $1.5 million seed funding. And we're going to, with that money, we're going to fill out our management team, CMO, build a sales and marketing program, run a pilot study, enabling us to have a proof of concept that we can run on high volume, both on making the paper as well as on actual production machinery. Complete our ecosystem. We want to get involved with a lot of the converters, the paper manufacturers, the CPGs to make sure that when it comes, we can make a product very quickly and prototype things and deliver very quickly. And obviously, optimize our Generation 2 and Generation 3 products. So in closing, I want to say, why are we settling for plastic that's really bad for the environment when we have the solution today that can solve and be true sustainable packaging? Thank you.